Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making garlic toast steak sandwiches. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large skillet I'm preheating. And I'm going to start out by adding some olive oil in here. Just enough to coat the pan. And I have one red bell pepper and 2 small onions I diced up. I'm going to get them in here and saute until they start to soften up. And you can use any color bell pepper you want. I was going to get a green one, but the store was out of it, so they substituted a red one. So that's what we're going to go with. So I'm going to go ahead and saute my peppers and onions for a few minutes till they start to soften up. Alright, now that I allowed my peppers and onions to saute for a few minutes and they're starting to soften up, I have some steakums. If you're not sure what they are, they're real thin sliced sandwich steaks. This is a 21 pack. I'm going to take about half of that. And I'm going to go ahead and get them in here and break them up and start to fry them in here with the peppers and onions. And I'll season this with some salt and pepper as it fries. Okay, now that my steak, my peppers and onions are all cooked, I have some garlic toast here that I cooked to the directions on the package. I have some sliced provolone. I'm going to put a slice on each one. And we're making 4 sandwiches. And I'm going to take some of that steak, a little bit on each sandwich, and I'll come back and hit them with a little more steak after I get steak on each one. And you could probably get about 6 sandwiches out of the amount of steak I made. The leftover steak won't go to waste because somebody will munch on that later. Okay, now I have some shredded mozzarella cheese here. I'm going to go ahead and put some on top of the steak. And guys, the beauty of using parchment paper when you do something in the oven is 9 times out of 10, when you're done, you can just pull the paper off, throw it away, and let the pan cool off, and it's not even dirty. And if this cheese melts down all over there, it'll be easy cleanup because it'll be on the paper, not on the pan. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the other piece of bread on top. Okay, let me pull these out a little bit. Now I'm going to put them back in the oven for just a few minutes till the cheese melts. Alright guys, I just took these out of the oven. The cheese is all nice and melted. These are ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and I put some mayonnaise in mine. You can put any kind of condiment you want in yours. Let me get in here and give this a taste. I hope you heard that crunch. Man, is that good. Get that crunchy texture of the bread, the nice garlic flavor from the garlic toast. You get the creaminess of the cheese and the mayonnaise. The onions and peppers come through in the steak flavor. Guys, that's really delicious and it's really easy. So I encourage you to give it a try. Alright guys, there you have it. Texas toast steak sandwiches. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see you.